Hi, welcome to Free CAD tutorial. Today's tutorial is plastic trim in CATIA V5. Open the class A Surfaces bumper, then we can start the work. Changing the name of the tree structure is a Class A. Right-click on Set Geometry, go to the Properties, change the name as a Class A Surfaces. Changing the Options Part Body to generate shape design. Click the boundary options for check the surface as a fully surface. Click the surface to check the surface. If I try to change the color by using properties, but only one surface will be changed because I will using adjoint commands for making a single surface, we can change the properties easy. We create a Class A surfaces.